Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about .gitignore file. What is the use case and how it is helping us? We are going to discuss all about it. Now, let's say that if I have one Git repo, let me create this Git repo. Okay, so I'm going to create folder, cd my code and git init. Now in this repo, you have various files. Okay, let's say that I have some exe file. Let's say that my code.exe, new code.exe. So I have some exe file. I have some Python file. Let's say that new.py, old.py. I have some normal files as well. Let's say that code.txt, new code.txt, old.txt. So I have some files as well. Now, I have multiple files in my repo. If I'm going to give command ls, here is the list of the file. Now, if I'm going to give the command git status, okay, it will show me that in your Git repo, you have all these files are actually untracked. It is obvious and it is good that Git is actually informing me that all these files are untracked. It is not in the staging area. But what happened? You don't want to track some files. Okay, let's say that I don't want to track my old py file because it is already old. I don't want to track this. But every time when I am going to give the command git status, this is a list, and every time it is showing me old.py, which is some type annoying. So to solve this problem, what I can do, I can create one file, okay, vi, and here I can say git ignore, okay, vi dot git ignore. Now dot means it is a hidden file, right? So I'm going to create this using vi editor. Now which file I don't want to track? I don't want to track old.py. Okay. So I am going to add this. Here you just need to type old.py and done. Now if you give the status, here you will not get this old.py. See, here it is, but here it is not. Why? Because now we have added this. Even we are not tracking this file, and it is not showing me in the list of untracked files as well. Okay. Sometimes you want to ignore multiple files. Let's say that I have my code.exe and new code.exe. I want to ignore any exe file. Okay. So I can use wildcard characters over here as well. So I'm going to the vi.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.